years. I practiced English for 2 full years, every single night before bed.
And how did it go?
I once tried to introduce myself at a work meeting and completely froze. Nothing came out, just silence.
After 2 years of practice?
After 2 years of practice, because I was practicing just completely the wrong way.
And that's exactly what we're fixing today. Because if you've ever felt like your practice isn't going anywhere, it's not your fault. It's your method.
I'm Jay,
I'm Mira,
and this is Talk Mira.
your weekly English fix. No textbooks, no boring drills, just real talk. Today, we're talking about speaking practice, and specifically, the one way most learners practice that actually slows them down without them even realizing it.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to stop doing and what to do instead, starting today. Okay, Mira, let me show everyone how I used to practice. Every night, I would sit alone and just repeat words like apple, 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 hello, hello, hello.
For how long?
1 hour, every night.
And after 1 hour of saying apple, could you talk to a real person?
No, not even a little bit.
Same goal, different method. Jay, pretend you're ordering coffee.
Hey, can I get a medium coffee, please? Actually, make it large. Long day.
That's it. One real sentence. Real meaning. That's the whole difference. This mistake, practicing words alone with no real meaning, is made by millions of English learners every single day, including people who have studied for years. You are not behind. You just needed someone to explain it. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain needs two things at the same time: the words and a reason to say them. Without both, nothing sticks.
Wait, so all that time repeating vocabulary, that wasn't doing anything?
Oh, it was doing something, just not what you think.
That's terrifying. Please explain.
Think of your brain like a GPS. You turn it on, it has every road, every map, all the information. But you don't enter a destination.
So it just sits there?
Exactly. It does nothing. All that vocabulary you memorized, it's in there. Your brain just has no reason to use it.
So I needed a destination, not more maps.
Yes, the destination is a real thought, a real situation. The moment you give your brain something actual to say, it activates. Everything connects.
But how do you practice speaking alone then? You can't exactly have a real conversation with yourself.
Can't you, though?
I mean, I do, but I thought that was a problem.
It's literally the method. Talk to yourself, but like a real person. Describe your morning out loud. Order your imaginary coffee. Complain about your day in English.
So my habit of arguing with imaginary people, that's practice?
Fully valid English practice. Yes.
Finally, vindicated.
The switch flips the moment your brain has a real destination. Repeating words alone, switch is off. Real thought, real sentence, switch is on.
All right, I'm trying this right now. Mira, I had the worst morning.
What happened?
Made coffee, took one sip, completely cold. Spilled it on my hoodie, the gray one, my favorite.
No, not the gray one.
The gray one. So I changed, sat down to record, and forgot everything I was going to say.
That is genuinely painful. But did everyone hear that? Jay just told a real story. Real details, real feeling, real reactions. His brain had a destination the whole time. That is exactly what switched on practice sounds like. Quick fix time. Wrong. Repeating single words or sounds alone for an hour with no real meaning. Right. Speak in full, real thoughts. Describe something. Tell a small story. React to something out loud in English. Remember, GPS needs a destination. Give your brain one. 2 years, 2 months, or 2 weeks, if you were practicing, you were already ahead of everyone who gave up. Now you just have the right method, too.
So tonight, don't open a vocabulary list. Just talk to yourself, in English, about anything. Your coffee, your day, your imaginary argument, all of it counts. Trust me, I've been doing it for years.
He really has. We have proof. And if this episode helped you today, subscribing takes 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking. Keep growing.
This is Talk Mira.